She came in a couple of weeks ago and we did a rear muffler delete on this Mustang for her, and it wasn't loud enough. So she came back. Still got factory converters on one side. And we did a resonator delete. The resonator delete comes in on these single in, dual out. It's a 4-cylinder. Then we continued, and there's the rear muffler delete we did earlier in the year, about 3 weeks ago. There's the resonator delete. That's how you delete the resonator on these. You put a Y pipe and intermediate piece of pipe. It's a 4-cylinder turbo. Turbo. It's her birthday today, so guys, when you see it on the channel, please wish her happy birthday. And we'll let you guys hear it. And hit that like button. And from us at the Exhaust Addicts, happy birthday. Better? It's louder. Turbo. You can actually hear the turbo now. Yeah? Sound decibels. Right at 103. Go ahead and back it up. There's that resonator over there. That's the one we cut off. Or Mustang. '18 Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. Sweetheart.